Hello, I'm Shanthan Bera. I'm from BITS Goa. I participated in the hackathon conducted by Locofy and Developer Society of BITS Goa. So here is what I made. I made a Track Money. That's a mobile app where you can check your expenses and your income. This is the splash screen, and from there we come to this screen. We can click on sign up as well as login to go to the destination. The sign up screen looks like this. Next we have the login screen here. After setting our account, we come to this screen, and here it is where we can add a new account and we are set. This is the home screen. We have two buttons here, home and profile, and a button in the middle. On clicking on that, we come to these two options. This is for adding income and this one for adding expense. On clicking this, we come to this screen where we can add expense as well as a description of that. Clicking this would lead us to this screen similar to this. Other than that, we can see the financial report by clicking on this and this respectively, which will bring us to this and this screen respectively, where we can see our net spendings and our net income, and also from where are we getting our biggest spending and biggest income from. If we click on this profile, we come to this profile page where we have a image and the username and a logout button. Clicking on the logout button opens up this confirmation screen. On clicking yes, we log out from the app. Now let me show you how I use Locofy here. I made this screen as a splash screen and this one as the starting screen. Just clicking on this and this respectively. There are several buttons which I add. On clicking on the button, there are several options available. I clicked on button, and in button I could do styling, and the color is set to this. It's a purple color. And then I choose the trigger. There was two options, press and long press. I choose press. I did an opacity effect. On clicking this, it would be a bit dimmed. Then the action, I wanted to change the page to this to that, so I chose change page. And which page do I need to go? I could click on locate here and then click here. I'll get that, and that's done. Similarly for this for this button, for clicking on login screen, bring us to this page. After when the user sign up for the first time, he need to set up the account, and we get this screen. On clicking on let's go, we come to this screen. Here is the back button. First we need to select the component and then click on button. Actions, I can also do some styling here. Actions, I chose the trigger as press and the action as go back, as I need to go back to the previous screen. Once we are set, the app shows us the screen and we come to the home page. The home page shows the account balance. total income, total expenditure, the recent transactions, and this a home button, a profile button, and add new expenditure or income button. The time of expenditure or income is also shown here, and on what thing we have spent that money can be entered when we click on this and we come to this page. There is a space for description where we can write for what we can for what purpose we have spent the money, and this also acts as a button which leads us to this page. You can see it here, button, action, choose. In the choose page there is a financial report income. This is the name of the page, financial report income. And here, as you need to type something, so this is a text input. That's all. And here also we need to type how much money we have spent. So here also there is a text input of style UI kitten, and of styling I put the red color as that matches the UI. This page is similar to this, only is income in place of expenditure. Next we come to this page. This page pops up when we click on this and this. Going back from this page, we can go back from this page to this home page by clicking on this, by clicking anywhere on the screen. The whole screen is made as a button, and we go back. As you can see, the action is to go back. Similarly here. Next we come to the profile page, where on clicking log out we'll come to this page. This page has these two buttons. Clicking on no takes us to this page again. Clicking on yes takes us to the login page. And yes, I forgot to mention, when we sign in, there are 3 credentials we need to submit: the name, email ID, and password. All 3 are of text input style. This is a checkbox. Locofy has a built-in feature checkbox. On clicking this, the checkbox is selected. As you can see, the color of the checkbox can be defined here. Locofy made this app much easier to build. Building this front end, writing code will take a lot of time. We could preview here by clicking here each and every screen. While building those screen, the preview button was a lot of help. Other than that, we can view the code here by clicking this, clicking all frames. We can choose the framework, and then we can choose view code in builder. It's syncing, it will take some time. Yeah, that's all. Our code is ready. Now let's view this code in builder. As you can see, the lot of code has been written without us writing, without me writing a single line of code. there are several pages. You can also view the prototype from here. You can also export the code to GitHub or as a zip file from here. I have exported it to a zip file which I will be sharing with you. Now let's view the prototype. Okay, so other than that, we can also change the framework from here also. Let's view the prototype. The splash screen takes 2 seconds. We come up to this page. Let's sign up. Let us give a name. Let's click the checkbox agreeing the terms of service and privacy policy and sign up. Let's set up our account. We can add our opening balance. I'll add 7,000 rupees. Description as opening balance. Continue, and we come to the home page. Here you can see, clicking on this had an opacity feature which brought us to this page. Again, clicking on this takes us back to that page. Clicking on this similarly comes to this page, and clicking on this takes back to that. We could add a new expenditure or income from here by clicking here. We had two options, income and expenditure. Clicking on income, we can add how much income. Let's say 2,000. There's a description as income 1. Continue. You could see clicking on every button has a opacity filter, opacity property. Similarly, we can add an expenditure. Let's add a 900 rupees expenditure. Let's go back to the profile. Here you can see my name and a picture here in a circle. We can log out from here. We click on yes, we come to the login page. That's all about my app. I didn't write a single code, but still the UI of the app is pretty ready. It has about 5,000 lines of code. Without me writing anything. That's all because of Locofy. It was very helpful. That's all. Thank you.